engineers write code to tell computers what to do. We design apps and video games and play them too. We make homes smarter to help you throughout the day. We guide robots, cars, and rockets safely on their way.
Chemical engineers produce, recycle, and reuse. We store, mix, and separate in medicines and food. We develop new sources of fuel to keep our carbon footprint low. And some of us make fireworks explode.
What do you love? Opportunities abound. There's an engineer for every industry around. Aerospace, geological, audio.